Hey, what's happening, family? This is the Leather Cowboy right here, Premier Leather Crafters in the dirty South is where I lay my head with another, just a quick tip video. This video is not more or less about the sandals, but more of a tip. Now, if you look on the backside, another fellow crafter had saw another one of my other videos, and they asked me, why do I tape the backsides of my leather? Now, you will not just see me do this, you will also see a lot of other crafters do this. Now, I have two different types of tape here, as you guys can see. The more crafters use painter's tape, it's a lot easier to pull off. And even you have to be careful with some projects because the thinner the leather weight, so either. But this is why we tape the backside of our leather pieces, because when we go to tooling these, it doesn't make the leather start to warp or go out of shape. Especially for you crafters who are starting out and you're using the economy grade, where the fibers on the back of the leather may not be as strong. If you hit a weak spot, you don't want to spread that leather out and cause it to be kind of cattywampus. Get ready to pull this off. I don't want it to warp the shape. But now these sandals here, basically the only part that's going to be tooled is the straps. Just wanted to show this quick tutorial on how to why we tape the backside. And one thing that you want to make note, whether you're using duct tape or the painter's tape, you want to overlay halfway into the first line of tape that you lay. You guys can see that line there. That's because this piece is overlaid over half, and then you'll take the next one, the third one, overlay it half over the second one, and it keeps the fibers in the leather real tight. So as you're tooling, it doesn't stretch, warp, or make a weird shape on the pattern that you're trying to sell. So just wanted to drop you guys that little bit of information real quick, and you guys keep crafting. I'm gonna tell you, like my coach told me, make something every day. Whether you're selling it or not, make something every day. It keeps your creativity flowing, as well as it keeps you in practice on your pressures, how hard to hit, how to make your tools work for you, where you can come up with different patterns and shapes. If you guys look at my YouTube channel, you'll see another video that I did where you can take 8 tools and create 64 different patterns and shapes out of them. So you guys just keep crafting, and I'll see you on the other side.